Hello students, in this video you will learn how to find the cube of a two-digit number by shortcut method. Shortcut method for finding the cube of a two-digit number. Question is that find the value of 29 cube by the shortcut method. So for finding the cube of any number by the shortcut method, we will use an algebraic identity a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here in the solution we know that a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here I have taken a is equal to 2. From where I have taken? From here. The tens place digit I have taken as equal to a, and ones place digit I have taken as equal to b. Then we have to calculate values of a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. So here I have calculated values of a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. You can see here. Value of a cube is equal to 8. Value of 3a square b is equal to 108. Value of 3ab square is equal to 486. And value of b cube is equal to 729. 4 terms are here. So according to the terms, we will draw a square and divide it into 4 columns. You can see here, I have divided this square in 4 columns. Then I have written in the first column 1, in the second column 2, in the third column 3, in the fourth column 4 here. And below the first column a cube, below the second column 3a square b, below the third column 3ab square and below the fourth column b cube. I have taken values of these all 4 terms from here and written below each terms. A cube is equal to 8, 3a square b is equal to 108, 3ab square is equal to 486 and b cube is equal to 729. Then you have to start calculation from the 4th column and you have to underline digit at its ones place, and rest of the digit you have to carry and bring here in the 3rd column and add with the 486. Then you will get 558. Again here you have to underline ones place digit and carry 55 in the 2nd column and add with 108. Then after you will get 163. Again underline ones place digit and carry 16 in the 1st column and add with 8. Then you will get 24. Here you have to underline complete number. Now you have to write all underlined number and digits together. Then you will get cube of 29. So cube of 29 is equal to, from here 24, according to the column in ascending order you have to write. So first column, second column, third column and fourth column. Like this you have to select underlined digits and then write together. So 24 is here, then 3 is here, then 8, then 9. Write these all digits together, then you will get cube of 29, which is equal to 24,389. Thank you.